Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Okay, today is a quiz session, so let's start. What is the name of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam mother?
Amina bin Wahib.
What is the name of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam father?
Abdullah ibn Abdul Muttalib.
When did the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam father pass away?
6 months before Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam birth.
When did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam mother pass away?
When the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was 6 years old.
How old Prophet was when he received the first revelation of the Quran?
40 years.
What is the name of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam grandfather?
Hazrat Abdul Muttalib.
When did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam grandfather die?
When Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was 8 years old.
What is the meaning of Muhammad?
Praiseworthy one.
Yes, praiseworthy one, qabil tarif. How old was Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam when he got married?
25 years old.
Who was the first wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Khadija bin Khuwailid.
How many children did the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had?
3 sons and 4 daughters.
What is the name of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's sons?
Abdullah ibn Muhammad, Qasim ibn Muhammad and Ibrahim ibn Muhammad.
Right. Abdullah ibn Muhammad, also known as Tahir and Tayyab. Okay. What is the name of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam daughters?
Zainab bint Muhammad, Uqayya bint Muhammad, Kulsum bint Muhammad and Fatima bint Muhammad.
What was the message the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was spreading to the people?
La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah. There is no God but Allah, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his last messenger. A way of life, a way